Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday, so I think we can find some setups today. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin on daily chart, CME chart. I think that's the best, and we'll grow. We'll go from this one. Morning, Darren. Hey, Andre. Hey, Peep. Hey, Christian. Hey, Nore. Okay, so we have a gap. I was hoping to close the gap before we'll close the Monday candle, but no, you can see we have a gap here. Now, if it's there, we don't know when that gap will close. Maybe it will close today, maybe it will close 1 week, 1 month, 3 months from now, we don't know exactly. Idea is that we have that gap, so the price at some point in time will come back down here to fill the gap. This bullish candle here is damn strong. And some people will say, well, needs a retest. Yes, but also this candle needs a retest. And you can see, well, this candle needed a retest and the market pushed lower. Similar here. And if you consider this level as a neckline, if the price will push above this level, that will form a big chunky W. Okay, I'm not saying it will happen in half an hour, but let's pay attention. We are holding 110 and we are pushing higher. Luckily, we holded this level and we didn't accept below 107. At least not for the moment. I love to see the strength. We had some so-called news yesterday. Yeah. FTX people got some money back, or today they'll get some money back. 1.2 billion or something like this. Well, those money will come in Bitcoin maybe, but mostly I assume in shitcoins. Now, imagine public getting money back. What do you think we'll do? They'll buy some shitcoins. Aster, Fartcoin. I don't know. But the idea is the money will enter back in crypto. Yeah? At least that's my opinion, my 2 cents about it. After I saw that news, I said, I'm not shorting anymore, not even Bitcoin. If I don't see a long setup, I'm not playing. 1.2 billion, it's a lot of money, and I don't want to fuck around. There are still valid setups to be played on the short side? Yes. My decision was not to play them. It's that simple. So today, tomorrow, this week actually, I don't think you'll see me posting any short ideas. I'm not a fan of shorting in this environment anyway. As probably I'll not be a fan of longing in the bear market. Yeah, when you see the market change the direction, you'll not see me longing and buying altcoins. Nice candle. We can retest here. Yeah, I think we can. We also can push higher and confirm this W with the FTX news and everything else. Everyone talking about October. Idea is it's a bit too high and difficult for me to long here. I said I don't want to short, so nothing I can do as a swing trader here on Bitcoin. We can look at the classic chart. Here you'll see it better. You can see W up. This could be the left part of the W. This could be the right part of the W. And this will be the neckline point. It's far away. Well, it's not now. Imagine that the low is 108. We are at 114 and the neckline is at 118. So we are in the middle of everything. We can push this level and make this big W. I think we can. As I assumed weeks ago, months ago, I said this is a range. This is a range. Let's play the range game. If we are thinking range, 114, 115, it's kind of in the middle of everything. So I don't think it's the best level to play. Indicators are healthy, nothing special there. On weekly, indeed, we had something, yeah. And we said we don't want to see a close below. Well, we are bouncing. At least we are trying to push to accept. If we'll accept above this level, then we have a W. We don't have an M. It's an important week, beginning of October this week. Yeah, as we expected. Let's see what will happen. We are not here to tell the market what to do, up or down. We are here to react and play some setups, see what the market wants to do, and play on the same direction. That's our job, to make some money here, nothing else. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Yesterday I said that I want a retest here. Well, no retest. Now we can draw this one something like this. If we'll get something like this, then we can think about higher. Anyway, I could see the market pushing all the way up here in the short reload zone, and because this short reload zone was tested once, we can push higher after that. So it's possible. It's there. This one includes the Sunday candle. You can see up, up, up Sunday, up Monday. We'll correct a little bit Tuesday, and then to push higher. Possible. Or Tuesday down, Wednesday flat, and after that we can push higher. Who knows? But also we can push straight up because we have the FTX money involved. Morning, Jade. Ethereum, well, pretty classic. Swing low, swing high, range here. Fake out. What do we say about breakout or breakdown from the range? It's a fake out, and look at the fake out. You can see it. We are back in the range, and if you consider this one a fake out, well, we should still think long here. We are at the bottom of the range. Even if we had this one, we are at the bottom of the range. So if you want to play around, you can take Holy Grail on 5-minute chart and still play the long game. Try to hunt some long ideas. Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. Well, I put some squiggly lines here. I wanted the W breakout and retest. I didn't get my W. I got a railroad tracks candle here on daily. If I put 4-hour chart, then yeah, you can see the W is here, breakout, retest, and classically we should push higher now on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Yeah, this should be a deviation. We have the W, the breakout, the retest here. You can see the retest of the neckline, and now technically we can push higher. Exactly from this candle, or we can range a little bit more and then push higher. I don't know, but I think Ethereum could start outperforming Bitcoin again. We had that GAN 50-50 line, didn't touch the 50 line, touched only 38.2. Well, that means Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin, and we should see some movement. Bitcoin dominance, we talked about. Let's go on daily. Expecting a retest at 60% is something normal. Will happen, or the market is weaker than people expect? I don't know. Normal to retest from below the 60% and then to break down. Will M out here? Well, I don't mind. If we'll M out here and we'll break down, that will be nice. I have some shit coins waiting to pump. People, if you like the content, repost the tweet. You'll see it in the chat. Hit the like button if you want. I'm not an influencer. I'm not a financial advisor. Be damn careful what you do with your own money. Okay? I'm not DMing you. I'm not putting you to send money in any platform. I'm not asking you for money. I'm not asking you to send me 1 Bitcoin and I'll send you 2 Bitcoins back. Okay? I'm just blabbing away on YouTube and I'm telling you what I do with my own money. If you appreciate that, hit the like button. If you want more from what me and Stefan we are doing in Crypto Traders Arena, well, tomorrow we'll open the VIP. Okay? But we are not asking you to send us money. We are not asking you to send money in any platform. We don't have anything else than what we officially post on Crypto Traders Arena. Okay? Don't get scammed. Okay, so let's see what Bitcoin dominance will do here. I could see an EM here. I expect 60%, yes. But who am I to tell the market what to do? In this area, I'm expecting an EM. At least that's my 2 cents. Yes. Fighting this level. You see how important is this level? You think? Let's zoom out again. You think it's important to learn how to trade? Imagine to know how to trade and to frame the market like I did here. Pretty basic, nothing fancy. Don't think this is, yeah, looks fancy because we have some, but all we have here, we have an uptrend channel, AB equals CD and some fibs. That's it, nothing else. By the way, Capo 1, they are learning fib retracement and fib extension. Easy for me, a lot of work for them. Okay, so yes, it's fighting this level. Could do a fake out here and push a bit higher and then aim out. I don't know. It's at the top of the uptrend channel. It's an uptrend channel. Usually in an uptrend channel, you don't want to short. You want to wait and buy the dip. We bought the dip. We are deep in profit. Nothing we can do there. It's a local top probably. Gold. Well, I said the range on gold. Well, that was with my range. We had a range for some time and then up. We respected this level, but the market said, Paul, I'll go higher. And $4,000 seems reasonable now. Is the blow off top for gold? Yes. Is anything you can do here? No. Even here from 3.5 to buy gold as investor, I don't consider a good idea. But as long as it's pumping, well, let's enjoy it. If you have some gold, I don't, I have silver. So, silver, yeah, silver I could see it testing $50 and maybe accepting above $50 and then go a lot higher. Total market cap, fighting people, fighting the same area, nothing special here. You can see we hold at this level and now we're back in the range. Total 3, a bit stronger than total, but nothing special. Once we accept and close above this level, then we can talk about altcoin season, a real altcoin season. We didn't had a real altcoin season from some fucking time. Actually, we didn't had one from last year, from December 2024, a real one. We had some bounce here, bounce there, okay. But a real something to see everything pumping clearly, no. Maybe this December we'll have another one. We'll start with October, November and December. Who knows? We are here. Our bags, at least my bag, is full. The only thing left for me to do is to wait. Okay, so that's the overview. Let's go on a lower time frame. Let's see what we have. So, Bitcoin. You see the Monday high, the Monday low. Pretty basic. We SFU the Monday high. We accepted a bit below. But, I'll say it again. Market is fucking strong here. Is holding this level like a champ. Usually when you see a SFU of the Monday high, market will collapse, will push lower. Nice result. You made money. Here is strong. Let's see. Maybe we'll get an M. Maybe we'll get something. But the market for the moment is holding really nicely. You can see here I draw the pump chaser zone, which is in confluence with Monday low. If I'm saying if the market will come back down here, and will form some kind of W or 3-bar fractal or something, I'll be more than happy to play that one. Especially for SFU, the Monday low. You can see some liquidity there. But for the moment, let's acknowledge what we have. We have higher highs and higher lows in an aggressive mode. You can see the retracements are small. And we can repeat what we did here with this small retracement and pump. We can do it again. We have a short reload zone from the swing high, and you can see where we can push deeper in the short reload zone, and then we have the bigger one. Swing high, swing low, this is the short reload zone. We can push all the way up here? Yes. We can confirm this big W? Yes. Will happen today? I don't know. But I see the market pretty strong here. At least for the moment. I want the market here to give me a double. But I don't know if I'll get that level. That's Bitcoin. We can play the Monday range. That's Ethereum. We played this one. We made money. We closed the trade. And you can see we are at the same level. We have the Monday high, Monday low. Small range on the Monday high, Monday low. We SFU like on Bitcoin in the middle of the night, of course, as usual. We SFU the Monday high. Ethereum is kind of strong. If we'll stay like we stayed here, and this time we'll break to the upside maybe, who knows, but we can stay here for longer, so kind of ugly to play here. I consider this one really important, the last week Monday range. Look at it. Why? Well, it's the Monday high, it's in confluence with the last week, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago here, and this low on the last week low. And you can see the W, this was kind of a fake out here, below 4,000. And if you remember, we said if we'll get a W here in this area, we'll play. We wanted a double in the long reload zone. We got that one, we played that one. Now, I prefer to wait for a retracement or to play with Holy Grail, like I said in the beginning. I could play with Holy Grail. For example, I'll put 5-minute chart and I'll say, fuck it, give me a signal. There you go. Can you see it? Entry here, we are at the same level. Let's go back on 1 hour. There you go. I want a full retracement back down at 4,000. Well, that will be a gift if we'll get that one. But the problem is we'll get that one. I could wait for I don't know, pump chaser zone. Well, maybe yes, maybe a long reload zone. And that's better. But that means the market will accept back below 4,000. I don't know if it will happen. Let's watch the market. If I'll see an EM here forming and I'll see weakness, yes. But for the moment, let's acknowledge the structure of the market. The price action here. Higher highs and higher lows. On 1 hour. Nothing else. And I don't see weakness. I don't see anything. Let's see. Well, some bearish divergence on RSI. Nothing on OBV for the moment. So that's what I will play here. I'll play the range. But I don't want to play the short side. So hopefully I'll get a dip here. And I could load a long setup. Okay. I have the new coins list. Let's talk about the new coins. Let's take a look at them on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. But like I said, I prefer 4 hour chart for them. And then if I see something nice, I could go on 1 hour. Okay? I think that's a good list to watch for the moment. This one. I posted it about this one, even on Twitter. I want a W here. Yeah, we dumped here in the support, in the long reload zone. Give me a W and we can play. For the moment, no W, people. Even if I put 1 hour. No W yet. So nothing I can do. I could watch this one. Nothing I can do on this one. Ugly price action. Someone is pushing the price up. This one has a nice location, but only location for the moment. Let's wait for W's. Similar on this one, is too high. If you like this one and you know that has something behind it and will pump, well, you can take Holy Grail. Aston, well, it's ranging below $2. If it doesn't accept above $2 pretty soon, we'll EM out and we'll push all the way down in the long reload zone. Guess who's waiting in the long reload zone to buy a little bit? You know someone? For the moment, it's ranging here. And I saw someone, I don't know if you are here in the YouTube, I saw someone posting, well, I saw the post and I sold my Aster and now I'm sorry that I saw the post. If you are making decision based on a post on Twitter, you have a fucking big problem. You should not buy anything without a clear plan. When you push the buy button, you should know where you enter, what will happen if you fail, when you exit, and everything. And nobody should change your mind. Yeah? A Twitter post, the best a Twitter post can do is to draw your attention to that coin. Well, let's see. I saw that guy posting. Let's see what I can find here. But to make decision based on the Twitter post is stupid, man. Sorry. That's the reality. So here, for the moment, nothing I can do. You can see that I put the house level on the downside. This is one level. If we'll accept below, then we have long reload zone. This one is getting back home. Come to Papa here. Huh? Waiting for W's in the long reload zone. Classic. This one is just lost the lows. Well, it's in price discovery, people. You know, Stefan, when I was laughing in the past, price discovery on the downside in the bear market on shitcoins. Well, you have it here. What we can wait here? W on 4-hour chart, not 1 hour. Breakout and retest. If the retest is holding, then yeah, you can think about something. Until then, just leave it alone. Could be a power of 3. Yeah. W here, breakout and retest. Similar play. By the way, Stefan, and how much time you'll do the day trading with Stefan? Because I saw you posted that you'll do the live stream today. So today, after I'll finish speaking here, I don't know, 10 minutes, half an hour, Stefan will do the VIP live stream. We'll do it on YouTube. So you'll understand what we do on VIP day in, day out. On VIP is longer. We stay 2 hours every day. On YouTube, I don't see the point. 1 hour, 1 hour and a half to answer the questions, to frame some setups, and it's enough. Okay. Here, I told you about it. This one is making new lows, same play. Huh? This one is trying to form a bottom. It's trying. That's the key term. This one is trying to form a bottom. No W on 4-hour chart yet. Lost the lows. Similar. Let's wait and see what we'll do. Not a valid long reload zone. So let's wait, but it's okay to pay attention to see what we... this one, I posted about this one. I don't know if we'll succeed. Was a W on 1 hour, I think. Yeah. If we'll accept here, we'll enter in the trade. Yeah, you can see. LJ, W the other side, maybe a power of 3. I like this coin here in this environment. I love the LJ here. How well respected it was. If we'll manage to accept above this level, then we'll have a trade. I already posted this one for premium and VIP. People are waiting for this entry, for this level to be hit, to enter the trade. Now, because it's Tuesday, it's for public. People don't put too much money, or even if you take the trade. Yeah, no more than 1% on any day trade. And this one, because it's 1 hour, it's a day trade, it's not a swing trade. So that's a potential setup for you. Holo, I wanted the W here. You can see no W. It's pushing lower and lower. No. The bottom, you know where the bottom on this one will be? Well, from here until 0. We don't know. We are waiting for W's. We are waiting for 4-hour W's actually. We don't know where the bottom will be. Give me W's, breakout and retest, and we can play around. Until then, no. Nothing I can do. This one it's in a range. Mira. I attempted a trade here. Well, you can see the result. No W, no trade, people. That's what can happen with the new coins. They will dump it. And they dumped. And they could dump more. On this one, you can see it's dumping. I want clear W's from now on. If I don't see clear W's, nothing I can do. Yeah, we made some money with this one here. We took this W and made some money, and then stop loss got hit, and now we can wait for the same. But let's wait for that W. Open. Similar. Lost the low. No W, no trade. I love the new coins, people, because they have volatility, but you have to understand they could dump like crazy. They could be listed at the top. Let's call it that way. And from the listing price, they will just dump and dump and dump and dump. Really careful with them. So if you buy the listing price, imagine you are buying the top. This one is pushing higher and higher. I like that. But unfortunately, we cannot chase. We should wait for the long reload zone. At some point in time, the long reload zone will be tested. And when we'll do, then we can play around. Here, similar, waiting for W's in the long reload zone. This one has a nice location. You can pay attention for clear 4-hour W's. We have nice location here, 78.6. Probably some bullish divergence trying to form, yeah, on RSI at least. But we need W's. Nothing we can do on this one for the moment. Too high, nothing I can do. Waiting for W's. Waiting for W's. Waiting for clear W's. This one is at entry and we are risk free already. W's here. Well, something is here. Can see it? Could take a long period of time, but it's trying to form something. Let's see 1 hour. There you go. Can you see it? W's. Give me W's. Usually I don't like to play the W's immediately after the pump and dump because they are usually fake outs and the market will keep going sideways. But I'll keep an eye on this one. It looks interesting. I want to see the breakout and the retest and maybe. Already did on gold. Uchiha. I don't know how to spell your name. This one. Bocian is bullish on this one. I will chase it here. He said dollar cost average. If he trusts the project so much, okay, dollar cost average. I'll be a cheap ass and I'll wait in the long reload zone. I know, yeah, I could pump higher. I know, I understand the concept, yeah. But on 4-hour chart, I also know this is a Wyckoff check and I also know the POC is here. So you get the idea. I'll wait here below $1. If we'll go without me, well, I could find another setup and another environment. But I'll patiently wait for long reload zone and maybe for some W's. If you are aggressive, you can play this Wyckoff check level. Put an order there. But the idea is to have a plan. Have a plan exactly. Well, I'm buying here. I'm buying with little old lady, so I don't have a stop loss. That means I'll sell half on a double. Or I'm starting to dollar cost average here. Or I'm buying as a setup. Where is my stop loss then? Okay, so I'll buy that level, but I don't have anything else. I don't know when I'll sell, what is my plan for the next move. I'm patiently waiting here. I'm not saying what Bocciani is doing is wrong. No, if he's dollar cost averaging and it's increasing the money he's buying, the lower it goes, yeah, he will manage to get a really nice bag as low as possible. It's too complicated for me, so I'll wait here. This one. We attempted the W, was a fake out, and we are pushing lower. And nothing we can do about it, people. As you see it in the price discovery to the downside, we don't catch falling knives. We wait for double bottoms, Ws. Until then, nothing we can do. Bitcoin, we talked about Bitcoin here. We talked about Ethereum. This new one, yeah, yesterday was listed on Binance and everywhere and is the best thing ever. Yeah. Listing is the top. We'll consolidate, we'll make some Ws at some point in time, and yeah, could pump and could take this high and push higher. Yes, it could. But for the moment, the listing price was the top. A lot of people from pre-sale, a lot of people who bought on other exchanges, when they saw it listed on Binance, they just fucking sold. It's that simple. No? Yeah, another airdrop. People, bull market, it's nice to make money, but that doesn't make it easy. Yeah, that doesn't mean you can buy something at listing price and you can make money and you'll buy everything and everything will go up. Maybe something like that will happen for 1 month at the blow off top, maybe, but not even that. For the rest of the time, you have to know some TA, you have to have a plan, you have to have someone to keep you in check. We are trying to do our best for Crypto Traders Arena community. I know what I'm saying usually is boring, but I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to help some of you to, first, don't lose money, and second, maybe make some money in this bull market. And in the meantime, maybe you learn some things. Maybe you learn some TA. Yeah, if you are joining the premium part, if you are joining the VIP, you will see some TA. It's impossible not to learn some things. If you want to trade like us, well, we have couple 1, couple 2. But you'll have to wait for 2026 for that. Okay. Someone says about SUI. Well, what do you think we can do about SUI? It's looking like everything else. Weekly chart. No, actually SUI is really strong, but what do we have here? One big fucking weekly M, another weekly M, and nothing changed. I'll wait here. Below $2. It's impossible to convince me to buy SUI here. We'll go to the moon. Well, people said that we'll go to the moon from December 2024. Didn't drop like the rest, was a bit stronger, but didn't pump either. So why the fuck I should focus on it? No. If we'll come back down in my area, if we'll come back down below $2, if, I said if, then from $2 to $1 and maybe lower, I'll be more than happy to buy some. There, I'm not touching it. Daily chart. You can see we SFU the lows here. We are trying to make a W. You want to play a setup with all the selling pressure above? No. So SUI, nothing I can do about it for the moment. If you have a bag from the lows, hold it. It's looking strong. It's looking okay. But you have to put your hands under your ass and wait and wait and wait and wait. Okay? Hopefully you are risk-free by now if you have a position. Pretty simple. Well, people, let's call it a live stream. Stefan will do another one and you can ask him all the requests. He has the same TA, a bit slightly different, a different approach, but the setups are similar. Okay? 20 minutes. I think Stefan will start a live stream. You can find me in the chat. If you want to join us, you know where to find us. If you want to join VIP, wait until tomorrow and then DM Stefan. Limited places available, yes, so be damn sure you book your place if you really want. Insiders, book your place before tomorrow, please. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you in the next one in 20 minutes. Bye-bye.